Divi and Elementor are two heavyweights in the website building arena, but which one truly deserves your attention? Today we're diving into Divi to see if it holds up against the competition or if it's just another pretty face. So what exactly is Divi? It's a WordPress theme and page builder that allows users to create visually stunning websites with ease. The drag and drop interface is quite user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while still offering depth for more experienced users. Right off the bat, you'll notice the extensive library of pre-made layouts which can save you a ton of time. However, while the design flexibility is impressive, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep initially, especially when diving into more advanced features like custom CSS or global elements. The visual builder is where Divi shines, allowing real-time editing, but it can feel a bit overwhelming with all the options available. One thing that's not entirely clear is how Divi handles updates and compatibility with third-party plugins. While it generally works well, there have been occasional reports of conflicts that could leave users in a bit of a bind. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Divi offers a ton of design options and flexibility, which is a huge draw for creative users. The built-in A/B testing feature is also a standout, allowing you to optimize your site effectively, but there are downsides. Some users have pointed out that the loading speed can be slower compared to Elementor, which is a concern for SEO and user experience. Additionally, the pricing model, which requires a yearly subscription or a one-time fee, might not appeal to everyone, especially those who prefer a more straightforward payment structure. Also, if you're someone who values simplicity, Divi might feel a bit cluttered with all its features. It might be perfect for designers, but could overwhelm those just wanting to get a site up quickly. In conclusion, Divi is a powerful tool for those who want design flexibility and are willing to invest the time to learn its ins and outs. However, if you're looking for something more straightforward and faster, you might want to consider Elementor or other alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but it really depends on your specific needs.